Never come in.
Are you going to argue with me about it? I'm just asking you politely. Just next time you do it, you are.
The thing is, I'm not arguing.
You are though.
Telling you.
Okay, alright, okay. Yeah.
Straight ahead. See the toothpaste?
Ah, yeah! You know. Bloody hell, I didn't sign up for a game of SAS wins.
Now we're going to win.
Great. It's rough terrain, this, isn't it? Oh, good luck with that. 20 metres to my 12. Oh, I got him. He's down. Sliding like a kin. Yo, close.
One down, there's one more.
Yeah.
Same position.
Down. Whoa. 10 metres. Oh,
Right, there's one.
oh, sorry, mate. He's down.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Oh, it was fun.
what was that one?
I thought he was friendly, to be honest. I did. Well, we got one more.
Got him.
You're pushing like mad now.
Oh, f***ing hell, that was mad. Dead man.
One, maybe across.
What's up guys, and welcome back. Notice that I just got full autoed. There was a lot of complaints to the Marshals on the day. People who were using HPA were overkilling. We also experienced this firsthand and ended up getting the blame for it.
Building opposite. Watch out, we've got two in the building opposite us. Yeah!
Oh, careful.
Yeah! Good job, Louis. Come on!
Hey! Come on!
Okay, alright, okay. Yeah. Dead man. Dead man. You dropped the mark there.
Whoa, on the ridge, on us. I think I might have got him. Oh, hit!
Mate, this little bit sick. Like
It is.
Louisiana for
Yeah, innit?
hillbilly town.
Innit? Yo!
Where are you? Yep. Yeah, I just spotted him. He's... Yeah, same.
Yo, do you want to try and take this building close to us?
Right.
Behind that blue top. Who's threw that smoke grenade?
One of them, I'm guessing.
Just carefully, your head here. I can hear him talking close. Whoa!
Hit. Has anyone got an aid? Nice. Oh, f off. Oh, shit. One guy right there. Oh, come on.
Walk your way.
Right. Ah, yeah! Fucking hell. Whoa. No.
There you go. One down. What the fuck?
Watch this straight ahead. See the two trees? Yeah. Straight ahead, about 10 feet. Right behind you.
There you are. There you go.
It's one guy dead straight ahead.
Oh yeah. One just run forward on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're hanging on. They're literally sitting on it, but they're just looking. Then if there's
Oh yeah, poking his head out of that red brick. 4 left.
2, one more.
got one just a bit further right of it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And I'm out of ammo. I'll just call them out for you.
Alright.
I've got no armour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hey Jack, one down here. One dead, one by 12 o'clock. Well, like half 12. Come further, keep coming. He's right behind a tree, you'll be able to...
Oh yeah, I see him. Oh, I need to change. That's a shot. It's blurry in my hollow. Game over. I need to adjust me up now anyway. It's dipping quite low.
Will that be dinner now?
I don't know if I just flick the branch or
No, you don't. Oh, that looks chuffing great, that.
Go on, big boy.
I'm chuffing.
Go on, big boy.
I'm chuffing alright.
You gotta make it down that. Oh, 360?
Okay, back out after lunch. In this game mode, we can only go join in the action when this guy says so.
Go back in.
Oh, go back in.
Yeah, no, so you come out until I tell you to go back in. Now we're going to wait.
Well, they're making it in actually, to be fair.
Guess what? Go in and start killing them.
Joe's been let off the leash early, however, he was having issues with his cameras all day, so there's no head cam from this. As you last seen from my perspective, he came back to respawn and was allowed to go straight back out, so he's decided to hit them from the windows he's just been shot from.
Bloody hell, I didn't sign up for a game of SAS wins.
I literally just got to those windows and shot every single person.
Would you?
Yeah.
One shot does it, mate. That really hurt.
When did I shoot it?
From that window, you shot me like 6 times on the flesh.
Where were you?
I was stood in the middle there, mate.
Well, yeah, there's a guy behind you as well.
No, but you hit me like 6-7 times. When it's this close, one shot, really.
Yeah, well, there's a guy behind you, though, wasn't there?
Doesn't matter the guy behind me, you still hit me several times. No, we switched to single fire when you're in the building.
I was only on single fire.
Mate, I felt that was single fire, that was bang, 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 bang. Yeah, that's still too fast. You need to slow your rate of fire down when you're in the building.
I wasn't in the building. I never come in the
Are you
building.
going to argue with me about it? I'm just asking you politely. Just next time you do it, you are.
The thing is, I'm not off.
You
I'm
are
just
though.
telling you. You said you were in the building.
Window, which is practically in the building.
Right.
You know, it's like 10 metres and you're doing rapid single fire at me. You might as well have had it on full auto.
He's saying though, he's trying to aim for someone behind you. He doesn't want to hurt you. Doesn't want to hurt you.
You
And there's
hit
a
me
guy
7
behind
times in the same spot, mate. 7 times. 7 times.
7 times. 7 times.
That, when you're doing single fire and you ain't in the building, 1 or 2 or 3 shots. Not several at a time. I thought you actually rapid fire.
Yeah, but when there's a guy behind you, I'm not just gonna like wait.
You didn't hit the guy behind me, you hit me as well. You just constantly
Yes, I
hit
know,
me
but
with a
there's still a
barrage.
guy. Behind you.
Yeah, I'm just asking you to bring the rate of fire down, because there is such thing as spamming when you're on single fire.
Yeah, I know that.
Just to add to that one as well, it was not outside.
What do you mean it wasn't outside?
It was only inside. It shouldn't have gone outside.
Oh, no one told me that. I literally joined in the game. When you looked at me and I was out the window, you could have said that.
Because it was at the end, there was only one anyway.
We'll see, won't we? We'll see. We got it on record. We'll put it. We'll
Mate, I've been playing this for years. I know.
That's fine. That's fine. But it's like your word versus his, isn't it? Like I wasn't there either, so I don't know. And I'm trying not to be biased.
Yeah.
But like, we'll just see, won't we? He's got all the cameras.
I've played CQB. I've played at the Croft. I've played at the jail. I've played all sorts. And when you're doing it there, that's fine. But here, you know, you've got to.
I'm not trying to flex either, mate. I've been up and down the country myself. I've been over like 20 sites, and do you know what? This place is sick. I don't know why we're sat here complaining and whining about stuff, because it's been a great day so far.
Right, well, I'll just leave it then, and we'll not.
I was talking to you, wasn't I, before, Bossman? I'm like.
So
Like, we're not here to...
No, it's not you specifically. We have got 1, 2
but
regular HPAs.
I will say that. I will say it's nothing to do with the guy or his gun or anything, but some people are still not...
These cameras, they're recording at 120 frames per second. You won't miss a shot coming out of there when we put it down in slow motion. So we'll see if we hit you 7 times in a row.
If I'm wrong, I'll apologise and stuff, but, you know, I got shot.
Well, if you feel like you've been hit loads of times, then we're gonna get it on. We'll get it on record. If you want, we can drop our.
No, it's just I'm just saying, not just him. There's some other people here. They need to. When we go single shot in buildings, there's a reason for it.
Right.
And people are over spamming the trigger.
But like, you check his auto setting. He never uses full auto. He just has it on single fire. The pair of us.
I never said he full auto.
No, but it's spamming it. It's spamming it. But nowadays, AEGs are made with MOSFETs in, and there's just as fast trigger response on them things. It's like...
I was just all I was saying is there was, you know, 1 or 2 shots. That's all you need to do. Fair enough if you shot me once or twice, I didn't call me hit, and then he shot me again, that's different. But you know, it just popped up, and you know, several shots.
When you're forcing everyone into one building, you're gonna get hit a lot, mate, like that. Like it just happens on these game modes.
Mate,
like
I play here.
Tell you what, James, I mean, we've got opinions on this, no problem at all. Let's leave it where it is for the time being.
I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to say that.
Well, I thought we'd finished talking about it in there, to be honest, mate. But then I hear you talking about him out here in front of everyone, and it's just like we're not.
No.
Well, I overheard you from over there, so
the head marshal.
it's fine anyway. We'll stop talking about it because
the head marshal has a complaint about not just one player but other players spamming the trigger. That's all.
Yeah, let's leave it.
It's not
right
just me
there
being
now,
shot.
fellas.
I can hear other things being done as well.
Let's leave it there now, fellas. Okay.
yeah, no worries, no worries.